Need a new Spectrum cable box? Here's how to get a replacement, covering swaps, potential fees, and the return process. Free replacements are available for equipment failures like pixelation or no signal. If you've lost, stolen, or damaged your box due to negligence, fees range from $50 to $200, varying by model. Request a replacement via Spectrum's website, app with the eSwap initiative that cuts in-person visits, or by calling 1-800-892-4357. Technicians might visit for on-site swaps, or a self-swap kit will be mailed to you. Have your account details and equipment serial number ready for verification. New boxes now feature energy-efficient chips, reducing power consumption by 30%. Once you receive your replacement box, activation takes about 5 to 10 minutes using remote pairing. After activating the new box, return the old one within 30 days using the prepaid UPS label provided to avoid late fees around $10 per day. Spectrum recycles or refurbishes 95% of returned boxes, demonstrating their commitment to environmental policy. Use Spectrum's online troubleshooting tools to diagnose issues before requesting a replacement. AI-driven troubleshooting resolves 85% of issues without needing a swap. In some markets, Spectrum runs green swap pilots, exchanging faulty boxes for refurbished ones, reducing costs and emissions. Be aware that streaming trends and competition from services like Netflix and Disney Plus are pushing Spectrum towards boxless options, potentially phasing out physical boxes for most users by 2035.